I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm back again with this side of my glue book. You can see I did this page, and I was going to do them both on the same video, but it was getting way too long. And I have to say that I don't love how these ladies look, but I felt like it needed something there. I wish I had taken the time to cut around the white parts out, but I didn't. But anyway, this time I would really like to use her. And she's got to go here. So I thought we could put some kind of color squares behind her. Something like this. Well, maybe this would work. Would that work? That would not be too bad. Let's put some blue in there. Where's a nice shade of blue? Here. What about this? Put that behind her? I think that looks good. She doesn't need to have a solid color everywhere. Let's get I don't need that. That says seeds. Let's figure out what else we're going to do here. Alright, so I think I have my layout for what I want to do here. And hopefully I will remember where everything is. Because I have trouble with that. So she's going to go on last, basically. Alright, I'm going to put down this strip first. And then we just keep going. I hope you're all doing well today. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And this is actually the same day that I was filming that page. But I just decided to split it up into 2 videos. So it's still the same day. It's still a little chilly. I think it's about 10 o'clock now in the morning, and it's a bit chilly. And I have noticed, too, that I think we'll do... Oh, this one's not low enough. Oh, that's the other page behind it. Whew. This one we'll put on next, too, I think. I forgot what I was going to say now. Oh, well. It's still my son's birthday. That much I can say. And I'm just wondering what you guys are doing. What are you working on? There. I'm kind of afraid to use this now. These are like newsprint, some of these. It's from, I think they're from ARP magazine, or, I don't know, I forget, but something like that. And I think we're going to go ahead and put that like that. So they're very fragile when you're getting them down. I don't think I needed it to be farther over, but just in case. And this was next. So we had our birthday party for my husband and son. And, of course, my son and his wife and our grandson came. And our friend that used to live across the street came. And Bethany. Nobody else came. We didn't really invite anybody else because we knew that nobody would be able to come. But there are some future plans for more people to come up for Bethany's birthday, so that'll be nice. Oh, here's my strip that I couldn't find before. And now I need to... I think that was there. Oh, gosh. This was here. This was here. That was there. This was here, I think. Yeah, that was like that. These were on top of this, I think. Were they? Maybe not. Maybe this was underneath. And there. Maybe it was over a little bit more. That was there. I know this was here, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down. It's not super straight, though. I might end up cutting this off too much. There. That's going to go there. Still not straight. Maybe I should put it this way. Oh, I don't like how that looks. It's not straight. It is not straight. Maybe that looks straighter. I guess that really isn't... I think we're going to put it up. And this has to come down. This is going to go here. Yeah, that's how that was. And this was here. So I still have to glue this one next. I used to try to take pictures of the layouts, but I felt like that was too much. I now have to remember where this was. Move that over a little bit. Maybe right here. Oh, that's not straight. Yeah. There. Is that right? And then was this here like this? Yeah, that's the way it was. So this is going to go next right here. We'll go ahead with that. Push his head down. So I'm hoping that when it's my daughter's birthday, it'll still be warm enough to go outside for her party. She likes outside parties. I think this needs to move over a little bit. Okay, let's put that. I think I'm going to trim this just a teensy bit too. So that can go there. Is it over too much now? No. There, I think that's perfect. So, there. That's how we're going to do it. So these are going to go next. We'll do the yellow piece next. And, oh, actually, let's do this piece next. Then I can figure out exactly how to place the yellow piece. And I got to come up with some more words. Alright, so this is going here. Just like that. Oh, not like that. He's upside down. Oh no, oh my gosh. Ooh. He cannot be upside down. Okay, there we go. Okay, yellow, where are ya? That's going to go right there. There we go. Yep, up a little bit. Oh my gosh. It's not the straightest, but she's going here. Getting glue on everything. I need to start doing what the others do with an old book or magazine to glue on. So she's going here, just like that. And this is going here, just like that. I think I'm just going to glue it on the page here for now. Okay, so that's going like that. Okay, and then her. She's going right there. Oh, maybe I can cut off her hair a teensy bit because I moved this over too far. There, that's better. She's going to go there. All right, and then we'll trim and put on words. Oops. So, as I said before, she had a word right here that I cut off, so maybe I can find something to go on there. But let's trim this off first. I put all those words back. I shouldn't have. I should have kept them out. I think there was a courage one, which I think would be nice right here, maybe. And there's actually a bunch of people under her hand. But I'm not using them. They're hidden. Oh boy. Did I put those words away? I guess I did. Oh, maybe not. Enchanted. I found some other words. Enchanting. Welcome back to the harbingers, is that how you say it, of sunny days? Ah, the sweet life. Seriously fun. Happiness is always in season. That's good for anything, really. Here's courage. I thought it's not big enough, though. I need something bigger for her arm. A fresh start. Safety first. I don't think that really applies anywhere here. Accentuate the positive. Space invaders. What about... Could that go there? I think... No, it would cover his head. Comfort. Comfort. Enchanting? No, that doesn't look good. That might look okay there, though. Enchanting. Comfort? No, everything's going over her head. I think I'm going to have to forget about that. Lasting value. Welcome? That might look bad. Not too bad. It's too big, though. Welcome. What if I cut it down a little? Would that look good? Are you even seeing what I'm doing down there? Maybe not. Alright, let's check this out. Actually, come up a little bit more. How about this? No, I don't like that either. Harmony. Maybe that. Harmony? Let's find out. Make it a little smaller. And this covers up her too much. Don't you think? Yeah, it covers her up too much. No for harmony. Wow. That might not be bad. But then it's covering her face up, though. Giving. That's not bad. It doesn't really have much to do. Oh, I know. She's like Rosie the Riveter, and she gave up her time to help in the war. How about that? I don't think she's actually Rosie the Riveter, but that's what it reminds me of. Maybe she's a modern Rosie the Riveter. There. That's not bad at all. Okay, so that's going to go there. Enchanting is going there. Should it go here or here? I think here. Because that could be for both of these. It's enchanting going to the grocery store. All right. Courage. We should put that there. He needs courage to sleep with that monster under his bed. Or should it go right there? Right there. Courage. Okay. Happiness is always in season. Could go right here. Yes, I think it could. I feel like I need something on the grocery shopping picture, though. That's going to go right there. A little bit over more. So it's not on top of her head. There. Okay. And, the sweet life. He's enjoying his food. That could go right there. The sweet life. Yeah. And that's going there. And I just feel like we need something here, but I don't think it's... Is it seriously fun going food shopping? I don't know. Let's see what else we can find. Anything. Lasting value? Maybe what they're buying has lasting value. Let's go ahead and put that there. They're buying healthy drinks, so they're making an investment of lasting value into their health. There. That's pretty good. I think maybe. Maybe we could find one more thing. So I found 2 more words that I want to give a try. We've got oh happy day or content. I think I like the way oh happy day looks better right here. So that's what I'm going with. Whoops. It's a happy day to be out amongst the trees. Trees always make you feel better and happier. At least in my experience, going for a walk in the woods definitely helps. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you'll come back and watch more videos. And check out some of my older videos if you feel so inclined. Thanks so much, and we will see you again next time. Bye-bye.